Today, let's talk about what nobody tells you when you're starting a side hustle. I'm sharing 6 hard truths I wish someone had told me when I started my side hustle journey as a homeschooling mom. Hey there, I'm Liesl Smith. Have you ever felt like you're just juggling all the balls, homeschooling the kids, managing the house, maybe even working a part-time job, and you're still wondering if you'll ever have enough time or money for the things you really want? Girl, I've been there. Today, let's talk about what nobody tells you when you're starting a side hustle. I'm sharing 6 hard truths I wish someone had told me when I started my side hustle journey as a homeschooling mom. This is real talk because you don't have time for fluff, and you definitely don't have time for side hustles that don't work. And hey, if you're looking for simple, flexible side hustles you can do while homeschooling, come join my free Facebook group, the Flexible Income Club. And if you're not into Facebook, I'll leave a alternative link for you down below in the description. Number 1 about these 6 truths that I wish someone had told me. It feels slow at first. I know you want results yesterday. That's me. I want results yesterday. But building income takes time, especially when you're also teaching math lessons, managing the laundry, and trying to keep the kids from climbing over the furniture. Just trust the process and follow the steps. Number 2, you'll question yourself a lot, just like how you question yourself about homeschooling constantly all the time. And you'll ask yourself, am I even doing this right? What do I think? Who do I think I am to be making money online? But don't question. Don't let this stop you. Number 3, consistency is more important than motivation. There will be days when you feel like giving up. And guess what? You can't wait for motivation to show up. You have to show up anyway. A little progress every day adds up. So just do it. Put your head down and do it. Number 4, it takes time to build income. It's not post today, get rich tomorrow. But you can create a side hustle that grows over time without sacrificing your family. Number 5, you'll figure it out step by step. You don't need to have it all figured out on day 1. Take the first messy step, then the next, and that's how you learn. Number 6, small steps, big leaps. It's not about one big viral moment. It's about the little things, posting regularly, showing up in your community, building trust. That's what builds a side hustle that lasts. If this is hitting home for you, come join the Flexible Income Club on Facebook. It's for women who are homeschooling, raising family, and building side hustles that actually work. It's free. If what I've said here in this video resonates with you, I welcome you into our little club, the Flexible Income Club on Facebook. And if you're not a Facebook type of person, don't worry, you can just sign up for my emails and I'll introduce you into our school community. Because this is really something I learned the hard way. You have all the gurus, you have the people telling you that don't worry, you can make money overnight, this won't take long, don't tell yourself it will take long. But you know, we also have to face reality, and reality is we have a lot of other stuff going on. I don't have a nanny taking care of my kids. I don't have someone cleaning my house for me. I don't have someone doing my groceries for me. I still have to do all those things in the day too. So saying that I will have overnight success, yes, it happens for some people, but don't let that stop you thinking like, I've posted every day for a month and no one has signed up for my program or whatever it is that you're doing as your side hustle. I fell into that trap a lot. I would go strong, really excited for 2 weeks, and then have no interaction, and then really feel like, oh, this isn't working, it only works for other people because I'm not having the interaction. But the thing is, there are some people that get lucky and get within 2 weeks like hundreds of people signing up to their program or whatever they might be selling or sharing, whatever the case may be. But in reality, in this day and age, there are so many people sharing so many things. We have to stay consistent, and we have to expect to at least give it 6 months to a year, maybe even. Because first of all, you have to learn the skills. Secondly, you have to get comfortable in front of the camera and things like that. You have to learn how to speak, to say the right things. You have to learn the marketing basically, and these are all valuable skills, not a waste of time to learn all of this stuff. But I'm just saying, if you don't already have those skills, like from a previous job or previous life, say, it might be a bit harder and slower to get started in your side hustle and to start seeing results in your side hustle. And that's why I made this video about the 6 hard truths, because I don't want you to get despondent and give up. I've done that many times along the way, and I find that, you know what, above everything else is like, if just believe in yourself and keep on doing it. Stay consistent. And if something is not working, don't give up. Just change what's not working and carry on. I hope this was inspiring and maybe makes you feel like, yes, you agree, you have been in that position too. And if you feel like this makes sense to you, come join us inside the Flexible Income Club and leave me a comment below if you appreciate this content, and of course subscribe if you liked it as well.